Hello world. This course is all about how to create web service in Node.js using ExpressJS and MongoDB. Before we begin, make sure you have basic knowledge on JavaScript, Node.js and npm package manager. This is episode number 1, and in this video we are going to see how to get started with Express using Express Generator CLI. First, you need to make sure your Node.js is up and running. To do that, run the command in your terminal like this. If it doesn't show up, you need to visit nodejs.org and download it using given link. To install Express Generator, run npm install -g Express Generator in your terminal. -g means it will install globally. To create a project in Express Generator, type express followed by project or folder name, in this case current folder. In Express Generator, the default template engine is Jade, but I prefer EJS. So to override default engine, type --view is equal to EJS. As you can see, Express Generator created the folder structure and added basic dependencies in package.json. Now all you need to do is type npm install to install all the required dependencies mentioned in package.json file. After the dependency is successfully installed, we are good to go. To run the server, type npm start. The command start is defined in the scripts inside package.json file. You can change it if you want. The default port address is 3000. If you are running more than one server, to avoid conflict, you can change the port address in www file inside the bin folder and change it to your preferred port address. Let's open up the browser and check the server, and it's working. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like it and comment it, and also please share it.